This video is an installation guide on how to use Worksuite module. First step is to log in with your admin login credentials with your Worksuite app. Next is to go to module page. After logging in as admin, go to Settings, Module Settings, then Custom Modules, and now click on Install Module button. Well, if you're using a Worksuite SaaS, then log in as super admin and go to Settings, then Custom Modules. Next step is you need to upload module zip archive. Download the latest file from the code canyon of the asset module and extract zip file. You will have to upload the asset zip file on the install module page. Next is to install module. You will see the recently uploaded zip file. Click the install button in front of it. The module will be installed and you will be redirected to the login page. After that is that you need to verify your module purchase. Then attach new login URL for once you have installed the subdomain Worksuite. SaaS module will be changed from login to super admin login just like the screen presented. That is all. Thank you for watching.